Hello everyone, my name is Jacob. I'm in sales at Williams Toyota of Binghamton, and today I'm going to be walking you through Toyota's new 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, how to use it, and how to customize it for your vehicle. This 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is starting to appear in a lot of different Toyotas. This Tacoma that I'm in, for example, also the higher level RAV4s, the Camrys, as well as my GR Corolla. Keep in mind that although this 12.3-inch gauge cluster is starting to appear in a lot of different Toyotas, all the software in here and the features are tailored individually to each Toyota that it's in. So for this Tacoma, what I'm about to show you, it's going to have things that your Camry might not have. It has things that my GR Corolla does not have. So just keep that in mind as I walk you through how to use this 12.3-inch gauge cluster. So the way that you navigate through the gauge cluster is by using the right, left, up, down, and OK buttons located on the left side of your steering wheel. The best way to describe the 12.3-inch gauge cluster is that it is 3 separate screensavers that you can use to customize what you want to see. So using the buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, I can have screensaver 1, screensaver 2, and screensaver 3. And if you can see there below the number, it says hold OK to change settings. So we're going to do that. So let's say screensaver 1, I pressed and held OK. And now I can go over to here. And on the left side, let's say I want to see my I want to see a compass. In the middle here, I want to see if I have any alerts. And then on the right side, I want to see if, well, I can have 2 compasses, or I want to see, what I'm listening to. I'm going to press the back button, and then that saves that. If I go over here to screensaver 2, and I go back to screensaver 1, it shows that it has saved. I always recommend having a settings selection on one of these screensavers, primarily because it allows you to go in and access your lane departure, blind spot settings, parking sensors, and the like. That is common across all Toyotas, and I recommend that you, no matter what vehicle you have that has this gauge cluster, you have a settings shortcut. Because we're in a Toyota Tacoma, we have access to certain features like our pitch and roll. We can also see our traction monitor and trailer brake. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jacob, and I'm at Williams Toyota of Binghamton. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.